In this video, we'll discuss how to find and use the library's trend forecasting databases. First, to get to the library homepage, we'll start here in Access Manager, and we will click on the library icon over here. This will take us to the library homepage. Then to get to all of our databases, we can use this quick link here in the middle of the page that says Databases. There are a number of ways that we could search for our trend forecasting databases. Today we'll be talking about LSN and WGSN. So we could either search here for the specific names of the databases. We could go by the first initial of those databases, either W for WGSN, L for LSN. We could go to our popular databases here. We'll find WGSN there. We can also search trend, and that will bring back the two that we're looking for and talking about today. We'll start with LSN first. Okay, now we'll take a look at our database, WGSN.